Did you know that garlic can do more than just spice up your food? It's true. When you think of garlic, your mind likely jumps to its vibrant flavor that can transform any dish. But this little bulb hides a multitude of talents beneath its papery layers. Yes, garlic is more than just a culinary superstar. It's a veritable jack of all trades with a host of applications that extend well beyond the kitchen. So, are you ready to discover the amazing uses of garlic? Let's dive in. For centuries, garlic has been used as a natural remedy in traditional medicine. This pungent bulb is not just a culinary delight, but a treasure chest of health benefits. It's packed with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that our bodies need, and is known for its immune-boosting properties. Imagine, with just a clove or two a day, you can give your immune system a real boost. It's like wearing an invisible shield against common colds and flus. Now let's talk about heart health. Garlic is a friend to your heart. It can help lower cholesterol and blood pressure, contributing to a healthier cardiovascular system. But wait, there's more. Have a nagging toothache? Garlic to the rescue. Its natural antibacterial properties can help soothe dental pain. So, before reaching for over-the-counter painkillers, consider giving garlic a try. Indeed, garlic is a powerhouse of health benefits, but that's not all. It has more to offer. Surprisingly, garlic can also be a secret weapon in your beauty routine. This aromatic bulb isn't just a kitchen staple, it's also a powerhouse of antioxidants and antibacterial properties that can work wonders on your skin. Battling with acne? Garlic's antibacterial properties can help in fighting off acne-causing bacteria, leaving your skin clear and radiant. But it doesn't stop there. Skin infections can also be kept at bay thanks to the antimicrobial and antifungal properties of garlic. It's a natural remedy that's been used for centuries to maintain healthy and glowing skin. And let's not forget about our hair. Garlic can also promote hair growth and reduce hair loss. It stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, which helps to nourish the hair follicles, promoting growth and preventing shedding. So, next time you see garlic, think beyond the kitchen. With garlic, you can achieve beauty naturally. But wait, there's more. Did you know that garlic can also help you in your garden? Let's delve into the remarkable world of garlic as a natural pesticide. This humble bulb, often relegated to the kitchen, can be a powerful ally in your garden. Garlic's strong scent and taste, while delightful to us, can be quite off-putting to pesky insects. This makes it an effective natural deterrent that can keep your plants safe without resorting to harmful chemicals. Imagine, all you need to do is crush a few cloves of garlic, mix it with water, and voila! You've got yourself a homemade pesticide spray. It's that simple. You can use this concoction to protect your plants from aphids, beetles, and many other unwanted visitors. Moreover, garlic is not only safe for your plants, but it also enriches the soil with essential nutrients. So next time you see a bug in your garden, you know what to do. Reach for that garlic. So there you have it. Garlic is not just for cooking. We've explored its potential as a health booster, offering benefits from toothache relief to immunity enhancement. We've also delved into its beauty and skincare uses, showing how it can contribute to a radiant complexion. And let's not forget its role as a natural pesticide, keeping your garden free from harmful pests. Next time you see garlic, remember it's more than just a spice. It's a potent ally for your health, beauty, and garden. So go ahead and make the most of this wonderful herb.